2018 Chevy Tahoe, how to change a cabin air filter. Mr. Garrett's in here working on it. So it's behind the glove box.
It is.
So you pop the glove box open, and you do release the. You have to release the little side things a little bit.
You do.
What do you just push in on the sides?
Yep. Just push them on the sides.
And then it drops down. And you already got the other one out. Okay, so you pull the other one out. You slide. Does it fit exactly? Do you have to like compress it a little bit, take it in and out?
Compress it due to the police wires.
Oh, okay.
The aftermarket.
The aftermarket. Yeah, and this is a police car, so, but they're all about the same. So most of your standard stuff won't have the wiring in the way. And then put your light back on too, if you don't mind. And that's the door.
That is the door.
Explain how that door goes in there.
It goes in by these bottom little clips, have to go in these little loops on the very bottom, and it holds it a little closed, and then these top pieces go over these lockers, and it locks into place.
Cool. I'm going to just keep filming here while you... Most people probably have the general idea, but we'll show what this is and what you're doing. And you just have to kind of just feel your way through it, and the flashlight's good.
Yeah.
Get those clips in there.
This one.
Pull the one on the left.
Yeah.
You can kind of pull it and you kind of wiggle sometimes.
So the one on the left, you got to kind of wiggle.
Yeah.
Wiggle.
And it pops right in.
Oh, I see. The little door locks over.
Yep.
So don't force it. And then how about closing the glove box up? Just you have the compressor, or you just close it up?
Just close it up.
And it finds its own way back in?
It does.
Go ahead and do that. And you're doing that. So you just raise it up?
Well, first we gotta test it.
Oh, yeah.
There's no debris inside.
Oh, that's true. So sometimes when you pull the old filters out, stuff will fall down into the blower motor. So if you pull your old filter out, and this filter wasn't terrible, it was just a little dirty, but if you pull your filter out and there's a bunch of debris there, there's a good chance it's going to fall down inside of the blower motors. Do you have to pull the blower motor, or can you reach down in there, or how do you get the stuff out?
Usually I use a compressed air blower.
Okay. What if they don't have a compressed air blower at the house? Just like maybe a vacuum or something?
Maybe a vacuum, or you might just have to pull a blower motor and dump it out.
Okay, because that does happen. There's a lot of rodents and stuff that can get up there. And I'll go to the outside. Thank you, Garrett. I'll go to the outside here and show you what happens. Either if they're getting in through this way, or on some vehicles, and this one's better sealed than some of them, they have some holes that go back through the other way where a mouse can pull little pieces of outside in there, trees and stuff. And even we've seen some with just these fine holes where lots of, if you park under trees over 6 months to a year, that can actually fall down through there and be enough to get into like the sit on top of the cabin air filter. And then when you pull the filter out, since it's such a tight fitting coming out, it kind of like scrapes off the big debris, and they can fall down inside your blower motor. And so when you turn the blower motor on, you can get a lot of noise, and or you can get stuff even blown up into your face, into your eyes. So like Garrett just did there with experience, when you change that filter before you close it all up, turn on that blower motor, and if you have a problem, that makes it easier to take it back apart to get debris out. So there's a quick thing on a 2018 Chevy Tahoe for changing out the cabin air filter, and several of the older ones and the newer ones are similar as well. Thanks for watching.